I've been in the industry for several years. I mean, we started our company in '86, and I actually worked for my partner's brother in 1980. So, and he was doing the same thing that we're doing. So they went out of business in mid '85, and we went in business. So I've seen a lot. We've used a lot of different materials. Have foam companies and coating companies have come and gone. And I've got a lot of people that are sending us stuff to test constantly. And so we're getting a chance to look at a lot of stuff and we use it. But, I mean, all in all, John's stuff is really good. The Everest is some of I'd say the leader in acrylic right now. And his HT material, we really like that material. It's more expensive, but I try hard to push it on my customers and encourage them that it's worth, a little extra money for that HT. And we really like it. Well, I've got a customer, a property management company over in Fort Worth, Texas, that asked me to come by and take a look at their roof, that they were having trouble with their roofing company. They weren't responding to them like they really wanted them to. So I came by and took a look at their roof, and it was a polyurethane roof like what we do. I looked at the roof, and there had been some storm damage in the area, so I knew the roof had to have hail on it somewhere. Because I had roofs that was close to this building that were damaged pretty bad, actually. And so I'm looking at the roof, and what I noticed was I couldn't really find much damage on this roof. I was having to really look hard at it. And the lady told me that the roofs were 18 years old. These roofs are pretty old, and they've never been recoated before. So I got to talking to her, and she was telling me that they were Everest coatings. It was the manufacturer on it. So when I got back to my office, I got on the phone, and I called John Linnell over at Everest Coating, and I introduced myself to him and placed an order with him. And I've actually been using this material ever since. We were using another company, a competitor out of Phoenix, and I've been using them for 25 years. But we're very pleased with the Everest coatings, and that's our recommendation. If somebody's looking for a top-notch acrylic coating, you won't find anything any better. It's the very best we've found. I really would like to thank Everest for everything that they're doing. They put this seminar on every year, and it's really educational. I mean, I get a lot of value out of it. I drive up from Dallas and spend a couple of days up here, and just visiting and networking around with John a little bit, looking at some of the new stuff he's got going on. And we'll go home and the season's fixing to get going, and I'll be busy all year. So this is kind of my educational time of year, but I do want to thank them for putting it on. They do a great job.